Today, I want to review the NOVEHA Tea Tree Eyelid Cleansing Wipes with chamomile, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. The box contains 60 individual wrap wipes, and they are doctor recommended for dry eyes, blepharitis, and other eyelid conditions. Now, if you saw my previous review of a similar product by NOVEHA, the tea tree and coconut oil eyelid wipes, you know how much I love the product for dealing with frequent eye itching and irritation from the severe allergies that I have. Now, I came across a similar product from NOVEHA, so I wanted to explain the difference between the two. Now, I honestly love both products, but their ingredient blends are a bit different. This version contains tea tree and coconut oil and aloe vera, and it provides a richer, more conditioning feel. This product also contains tea tree oil and aloe vera, but it adds green tea, chamomile, and hyaluronic acid, which provides more of a soothing, hydrating feel. Both are generously sized and generously wet, so you can use them on both eyes, and they won't dry out too quickly. Just remember they are for the eyelids and surrounding areas, and not for the eye itself. Both are textured so they're able to remove dirt, debris, allergens, and makeup, and both are individually wrapped so they're convenient to keep in your car or in your backpack, your briefcase. Women keep them in their pocketbooks, and I actually keep them in my pocket so I don't have to worry about leaking eye drop containers. Now, I hope this review helps you in your decision. As for me, I keep both available, depending on whether I need moisturizing or hydration from the severe allergies and the effects it has on my eyelids. For me, they're a definite gotta get.